everybody and Merry almost Christmas. For today's video, I'm going to be making some holiday cocktails to share with you guys. I did find these recipes on Pinterest and then I kind of personalized them, but you guys of course can target. So I'm doing 2 different cocktails while also baking some cookies, gingerbread. So let's get into it. Is green. It's gonna be a Grinch cocktail.
A wonderful, awful idea.
We're gonna need your measuring cup, which is a double shot. Liquor of choice, I'm choosing lime Bacardi. Of course, we've got Sprite and pineapple juice. Now these size are, what size are these? 10 fluid ounces. Do about half of this, give or take, depending on how strong you want them. You might need to add more soda or juice, whatever this is. Pineapple juice, 6 to 6 fluid ounces. Do half of this as well. Double shot. That'll just stir. Then we're just gonna pour this for the bubbles, really. And then the last part is the best part. The recipe calls for sherbet, but I've got this Halo Top Vanilla Bean. And you're just gonna do 1 scoop of ice cream. I'll let this sit out to soften a bit. Cheers. You don't even taste it. It's like, oh, taste it after that.
Not bad. Well, it's not good either, but you want to sip?
Yeah. No, you don't.
I don't know, it mainly tastes like Sprite, to be honest. So I'm gonna let these cookies bake, sip on my cocktail, wrap a couple presents, and then we will be back for the next cocktail. Christmas morning or something. We're gonna make it Christmas evening instead. Ginger ale, half can of pineapple juice, orange juice, cranberry juice. Other than, of course, Malibu. So we've got the 1/4 cup. We've got a 1/4 cup cranberry juice.
Inquisitive and thoughtful.
We'll add a little more. So a half cup of, well, a little less than 1 cup. So about a half cup. Okay, spritz the ginger ale. Hopefully a double shot will fit in this. I'm good. Cheers. I taste the cranberry with a pineapple-y aftertaste. I barely taste the orange juice, but I feel the pulp. I'm gonna show you the cookies. I'm gonna try a little one.
So good.
Alright you guys, if you like this video, be sure to let me know by liking this video and leave a comment below if you've tried either of these drinks and how you like them, or your favorite holiday cocktail as well. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. It means the world to me that you guys care enough to click on it. If you are new here, again, my name is ItsKristiiAly and I am documenting my journey to and through a healthier lifestyle where I document my successes, my struggles, my anxieties, fears, doubts, all for you. Obviously, this one was more of a holiday themed video with the cocktails, but definitely leave any recommendations below for new recipes you would like me to try that are on the healthier lifestyle side of things. If you are new here, definitely look around. There's tons of content. There's different challenges. There's some recipes. There's some vlogs from the beginning, which are a little cringy. And then, of course, some commentary videos and my shorts. Subscribe if you have not subscribed already. If you guys have a great rest of your week, a Merry Christmas, and to all a good night.